My name is Vladimir Putin. I'm 72 years old. I am the Russian president. This is my life story. My journey is very long. It is an interesting journey. I will share my lessons. You will learn many things. I am now an older man. I have much experience. I lead a big country. Russia is very powerful. We will cover my past. We will cover my early life. We will see my career. I faced many challenges. You will learn some English. My words are very simple. The story is for you. Learn and enjoy the story. My life has many parts. My journey has many lessons. I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin my story now. I was born in Leningrad. It was a cold city. My parents were there. They loved me very much. We lived in a small flat. It was in the city. My home was simple. We had a good life. I played on the street. I had many friends. We played many games. Childhood was very simple. I loved to do sports. Judo was my favorite. I learned from a master. I learned discipline quickly. Judo taught me discipline. It was a hard lesson. I learned to be strong. This helped me later. I was a normal student. I went to a school. I studied very hard. I loved to read books. Leningrad was a great city. It had a big history. I saw old buildings. It made me think deeply. I had a future dream. I wanted to serve my country. I felt very patriotic. My dream was very big. My childhood was simple. It taught me many things. I learned to be strong. It shaped my whole life. I went to university. It was a famous school. I studied the law. The classes were very hard. I worked very, very hard. I read many books. I learned so much there. My mind became sharp. My teachers were great. They were very smart. They taught me many lessons. I learned about the world. I finished my studies. I was ready for work. I wanted to serve Russia. I had my big dream. I found a new job. I joined a special service. It was the KGB. This was a secret job. My job was to be smart. I worked for my country. I traveled to other lands. My work was very important. I learned many new skills. My training was very hard. I was a good student. My mind was very strong. I learned about people. I learned about countries. This work was for a reason. I was loyal to my homeland. This career was a test. It prepared me for more. I gained much experience. I was ready for the next step. My next job was tough. I trained very hard. I was a KGB agent. My work was very secret. I worked in East Germany. The country was very divided. I learned their language. I spoke fluent German. My mission was important. I gathered information there. I was a good officer. I served my country well. I learned many new things. I was very observant. I learned to be patient. I learned to read people. The world was changing fast. The Soviet Union was ending. It was a big change. History was being made. My old world disappeared. The work was now finished. My mission was over. It was time to return. I went back to Russia. My country needed help. I felt a new calling. I wanted to serve again. The KGB taught me much. I was ready for new challenges. My mind was very sharp. I was prepared for anything. This time shaped my life. It gave me great strength. I was ready for power. My next chapter was coming. I returned to St. Petersburg. I started my new career. My work was in politics. It was a new challenge. I worked for the city. The mayor was my boss. I helped with many things. I learned about government. My job was very hard. I worked for the people. I solved their problems. It was an important role. I learned about leadership. I learned about management. My skills became stronger. I was ready for more. My work was very good. I was asked to move. I went to Moscow. It was the capital city. The country had many problems. It was a time of chaos. I wanted to help my country. Russia needed strong leadership. I worked in the Kremlin. The president was my boss. My responsibilities grew fast. I was very busy. I was promoted quickly. This was a great honor. I became a top official. I was serving my homeland. My political journey started. It was a big step. I was ready for it. This was my new life. I was now in Moscow. The president trusted me. I was made a minister. It was a big new job. Then I became prime minister. This happened very quickly. It was a great surprise. I was now very famous. My country faced many problems. Terrorists were attacking us. We had to be very strong. I worked hard for security. The old president resigned. Boris Yeltsin stepped down. I became acting president. This was a huge event. The people needed a leader. They wanted peace and order. I had to make a choice. I decided to lead them. I ran for president. I had a clear vision. The people believed in me. I promised a strong Russia. The election was held. I won the people's vote. I became the new president. It was a great victory. My new life had started. My dream was now real. I was the head of Russia. This was my biggest challenge. I was ready to lead. I would serve my country. My journey was not over. A new chapter had begun. My first term began. The country was in trouble. The economy was weak. People had little money. My first task was big. I wanted to fix the economy. I worked with my ministers. We made new laws. We changed the taxes. Taxes were made flat. This was a new idea. It helped the businesses. I fought with corruption. I wanted a strong government. I wanted a safe country. This was my main focus. We had another war, the war in Chechnya. It was a hard fight. It was a difficult time. I made the military stronger. We needed a powerful army. We needed to be safe. This was important for Russia. I also met with other leaders. I traveled to other countries. I talked to presidents. I wanted strong friendships. The people were happy. The economy was better. There was more order. My first term was a success. I was ready for more. My work was not finished. I wanted to do more for Russia. I was ready for my second term. I was elected again. This was my second term. My focus was foreign policy. I worked for a strong Russia. I traveled to many countries. I met with presidents and kings. I spoke at big meetings. I worked to build alliances. A big crisis happened. It was the world's economy. I worked with other leaders. We tried to find a solution. The world was changing fast. I worked to protect Russia. I talked about global security. I worked to strengthen our position. I wanted respect for Russia. I worked to restore our influence. My goal was a multipolar world. I did not want a single world power. The law limited my terms. I could not be president again. My second term was ending. I chose Dmitry Medvedev. I would step down as president, but my work was not finished. I would become prime minister. I would still serve my country. I had a new purpose. My work was still very important. My journey continued. I was ready for the next step. I became president again. My new term was difficult. There were many protests. People were very unhappy. We faced many challenges. There were issues with Ukraine. It was a very tense time. Our relationship was broken. Crimea joined with Russia. This was a major event. Many nations were angry. The world's opinion changed. Countries imposed sanctions. They were against my rule. This hurt our economy. It created more problems. My leadership was tested. I had to make hard choices. My decisions were for Russia. I wanted our country to be strong. New laws were put in place. I wanted more control. This caused more arguments. My critics were very vocal. We faced security threats. We had to be very careful. I focused on national safety. This was my main priority. I talked to other leaders. Our world was very complex. I had to be a negotiator. I had to protect our interests. My journey continued on. There was always more work. I was still focused on Russia. My time was not over yet. Leading a country is hard. It requires great strength. A leader must be firm. It is a heavy burden. I learned about truth. It is often very complex. I had to see all sides. Decisions are not simple. I learned about loyalty. It is hard to earn it. It is easy to lose it. Trust is a rare treasure. A leader needs to listen, but also to be decisive. You must be strong inside and not fear what others say. The world is a big stage. Nations compete for power. You must always protect your own country first. I've seen many things. I have learned many lessons. My experiences made me wise. I am a different person now. The leader's path is lonely. It is a great sacrifice. You must put your people first. This is the true meaning of power. Humility is a key lesson. You must not get lost in power. You are a servant to your country. This is a lesson I learned. I have made many mistakes. I have also had successes. But my goals were always pure. They were for my homeland. My journey is now complete. I have told you my story. I hope you have learned from it. My life is an open book. I hope you learned some English. These words were for you. It was a simple way to learn and to know my life better. My legacy is for Russia. It is for the Russian people. I will always serve my country. This is my final promise. The path of a leader is hard. I gave all I could give. My life was not my own. It was for my nation. I faced many opponents. I made some enemies. But I never gave up. My beliefs were my guide. My story is now finished. The journey has come to an end. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I wish you well. My final thoughts are simple. Be strong in your beliefs. Be loyal to your country, and serve with all your heart. Thank you for listening. I wish you all the best. Goodbye for now. This is my final word. What is your favorite part? Which lesson from Putin helps you most? How will you use his story? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Be loyal. Serve your country. Stay strong.